Welcome. This video will walk you through the Xencelabs driver installation. The first step to getting you up and running with your new Xencelabs product is going to our website and selecting, downloading, and installing the driver. So, let's get to it. Before you download the Xencelabs driver, you'll need to connect your tablet either by dongle or by USB cable. Both are provided to you in the box. If you also have the Xencelabs quick keys, you'll need to connect it either with the supplied USB cable or the wireless dongle. You'll need to go to support.xencelabs.com and click on Find Your Driver. You'll then need to select the appropriate driver for your operating system and click Download. By default, your driver will download to the Download folder. Locate and double-click the file to start the installation. Once you have double-clicked the installation file, the installer will start. It will guide you through the installation process. You will need to check the box of the Xencelabs devices you will be using with your computer. If you have the Xencelabs Pen tablet only, the small or medium, you will check the Xencelabs Pen tablet box. If you have the Xencelabs quick keys, you will check the Xencelabs quick keys box. And if you have the Pen tablet bundle, or you are adding the quick keys to use with your Pen tablet, you will select both boxes. You will also need to check the box, I have read and agree to the software license agreement, before proceeding, and then select Install. Once you have selected Install, you will receive a message showing that the driver is installing. At the bottom of the installer is a blue progress bar, showing your progress. This process is quick, and should not take more than a minute or two to complete. Select Continue. If you select the manual setup, you will be taken to the Thank You page, and the installation will be completed. Selecting the Finish button, in the lower right-hand corner, will complete the installation process. You will then be taken to the registration page to register your product. If you select the Guided Setup, an automatic scan will look for connected Xencelabs devices. Any detected device will be shown in yellow. If no devices are detected, please check to make sure your devices are powered on and within range. If you're using the wireless dongle, a blinking light means it's trying to connect. A blue light will be solid when a connection is made. You can press the Scan for Devices to have the install program check for devices again. If you're using the USB cable, the power light will show solid green. Once connected, press the forward arrow in the lower right corner. This will bring you to the screen, showing the device control buttons on the tablet. You are able to customize the settings of these buttons. If you are new to using our Pen tablets, I would suggest, for the first week, you leave the tablet buttons set to the default mode, as you become familiar with navigating around the Pen tablet and the settings program. Press the forward button in the lower right corner to continue to the next page. This will show you how to customize your pen pressure levels. Press the forward button in the lower right corner to continue to the next page. This will bring you to the Xencelabs Quick Keys Setup page, which allows you to select the orientation of the quick keys. Choose one of the 4 options at the bottom of the screen. The orientation of the quick keys can be easily changed after the installation as well, if needed. Once that's done, press the forward button in the lower right corner to continue. The driver settings application comes pre-installed with popular basic commands for your favorite creative software. Press the forward button in the lower right corner to continue to the next page. This will complete the driver install. Please take a few minutes to register your tablet. Select Finished to go to the registration page. Thank you for purchasing Xencelabs products. If you have any questions, issues, or comments, please reach out to our super support team at support.xencelabs.com.
Xencelabs.